Hello guys, I am Krishna Rathore and you are watching Eduland.
So firstly we have the formula you can see here is d plus m plus c plus t plus l upon 7, where d stands for the date of the month, m stands for the month code, c stands for the century code, t stands for the last two digits of the year, l stands for the leap years completed before the given date. After this we will add up all these values and divide it by 7 because there are 7 days in a week, and the remainder which we will get at the last will be the answer. So these are the only codes which you have to memorize to find the answer. So what you can do is you can pause the video here and take a screenshot for future use. Let's solve some examples. So first example we have here is 23 October 2017. So we'll do according to the formula, which is d plus m plus c plus t plus l upon 7. Now we will put the value 23 and add it because it is the date over here. Now we will put the value 0 because the month code for October is 0. Now we will put the value 6 because the century code between the year 2000 and 2099 is 6. Now we will put the value 17 because the last two digits of the year 2017 is 17. Now we will put 4 because the leap years completed before 23 October 2017 are 4, and they are 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016. We will not add any leap year like 1600, 1700, 1800, 1900 or 2000, etc. Now we will sum them up, so it will be 23 plus 0 plus 6 plus 17 plus 4, which is equal to 50. Now we will divide 50 by 7 because, as I told you before, that there are 7 days in a week, as we all know, and the remainder would be the answer, and in this case the remainder is 1. Now let's find the answer from the table given below. Since the remainder is 1, so answer is Monday. So 23 October is a Monday. You can check the answer from the calendar. Now the second example we have here is 25 January 2016. This is a tricky question, so let's solve it. Firstly, we will put the value 25, as we know that 25 is a date over here. Now we will put the value 0 because the month code for January is 0. Now we'll put the value 6 because century code for all the years between 2000 and 2099 is 6. Now we will put the value 16 because the last two digits of the year 2016 is 60. Now we will put the value 3 because 29 Feb has not yet come in 2016, so we'll add only 3, and the leap years we are including here are 2004, 2008 and 2012. You already know we don't add leap years, as I have told before: 1600, 1700, 1800, 1900 and 2000. So now put the values up and we will get 25 plus 0 plus 6 plus 16 plus 3, which is equals to 50. Now we will divide 50 by 7 and the remainder would be the answer, and in this case the remainder will be 1. Now let's find the answer from the table given below. Since the remainder is 1, so our answer is Monday. So 25 January is a Monday. You can check the answers from the calendar. If you find this video helpful, so please like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos.